Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a quick 5-minute snack, hot snack that you can make for anybody, anytime. So very quickly, just grab self-raising flour. You can use any brand. I'm using Allison, but it doesn't matter the brand that you use to, I've used different brands before. Just very small. You can do, let's say that's a quarter, or maybe just put a liter in. This I don't really do, I don't measure a lot, so I think I'm just put it to taste. Some like a lot of sugar, some don't. Just sugar and flour, and it'll be ready in 5 minutes. And everyone would love this. So put some water in it. So put your flour, your sugar, and some water. We can make in 5 minutes and it would still taste good. So just flour and sugar and water, and that's it. And put your oil. So let's leave that one there. I'm gonna need that in a bit. Put some oil in your pan. Let it heat up a little bit, maybe a minute or so. And then we can start to fry. So just mix it. Just, anyone can do this, anytime, any day. If you have a guest and they're coming and you don't have anything to give them, you can do this, as long as you have flour, sugar, and water. So just put the water. If you put too much water, add more flour. If you put less water, then add a bit more water and just mix it, let it, like gooey. It's not gooey, but you know what I mean. Have that texture. You can see how it's like just drawing a little bit. So that is ready. So now we're gonna fry it. So I'm gonna put that in. My oil is hot. It's not too hot. It could be hotter than that, but that should do. And then just put it in. It's gonna the reason why I'm doing that is so that you can make it a little bit round, so that it give you a little bit of shape. If you want it to be flat, make it flat if you want it. But it's nicer when it's a little bit round, because it kind of gives you a little bit of texture inside, and it's not just bland or But like I said, you can also put less sugar than I've put. So add sugar to how much you want. Some days I want enough sugar. Some days I just put a tiny little bit, or depending on who you're cooking for, what you're cooking for, would determine how much of that you actually put in. So, and in 5 minutes, you have a snack that everybody can enjoy and have. So I've got my plates ready here. I'll get these together out and put some. I normally try to put like kitchen towel, or and then just put in your plate, just so that when you put it in, it can soak up the oil a little bit, and you don't have to, you're not just eating oil. And just turn it as you go. Can you see that it's coming out nicely? Okay, just turning that to 9 so that it gives it all the power that I need. I'm cooking something else here, but that's not for this video, so we'll leave that one alone. Yeah, so just let that fry very, and then you can see it's coming up almost there, and then in few minutes it will be ready. So depending on how, I'll say, if you're using an induction power, probably want to put your your power to 9, or if you see that it's burning so quickly or it's going brown too quickly, then you turn it down. At the moment, because I'm using a small size, 9 is a good size for it, so it's doing quite well. If I see that maybe the next round is going, because the oil will be a lot hotter at that time, if I see that it's getting brown too quickly, then I'll turn it down to 7. But I would say anything, don't do it less than 7, because it will soak up the oil. You know, if you've eaten some snack before and it's all oily, you know, that's not what you want. You want the snack, not the oil, you know. So you would have a little bit of oil, but not too much. So, and should be almost ready, and everybody can have a taste. Okay, so that's it. We're snack ready. So you need a quick snack, you're hungry, the kids are hungry, just, you know, make something happen in 5 minutes and you are done. Can I just say, you know, as much as you enjoyed this video, can you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and also share it with your friends and family as well. And just let us know, comment below as well. Let us know if you enjoy it, if it's good, if you need more tips on, you know, on something else. Let me know and I can make that happen. Okay, so our snack is ready. So this is neither buns or puff puff. This is, I think this is my own quick snack. Like, I like some quick stuff. So that is my own quick way of making a hot but nice snack, okay, that anyone can enjoy. So that's ready. This up so that I can end the video properly, and then I'm not burning down the house. You know, you don't want me to burn down the house while I'm doing the video. So just quickly, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so that's it, your snack all nice and ready. Let me taste it for you. Very nice. You can enjoy that any day, anytime. God bless you. Bye. We'll see you at the next video.